All right, so now we're going to make some empathy maps. And an empathy map is a thinking framework, much like the expectation maps are that we did at the very beginning of this program. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the insights that you got from your interviews and you're going to want to pull those insights out into this empathy map. And so if you remember, there's 4 quadrants to an empathy map. There's what do they want to think and feel, what do they want to see, what do they want to say and do, and what do they want to hear. And as a refresher, the reason we do that is because different people show up in the world in different ways. And so the people doing this exercise, some of us might be talkers, some of us are feelers, some of us are thinkers, some of us are listeners, some of us are more visual. And so thinking about what they might want in that well-rounded 360-degree framework will give you a better map and a better result in the exercise. Where you put them in the map is really almost irrelevant. This is just a way to make sure you're thinking of it properly and in a well-rounded way. And so I'm giving an example here. We're going to sell into casinos, right? Because we're using the void as an example. And so one of the people we might want to talk to is a casino owner, and we'll want to do an empathy map for them. Now keep in mind though, there might be multiple people influencing a sale, especially if you're selling into big organizations. So if you're selling into resort casinos, they're dominated by big organizations. Those are going to be matrixed sales. You're not going to just be selling to one person. You might have to influence the casino floor manager. You might have to influence the attractions manager, and as well as the president, CEO, or owner, right? And so in this case though, as an owner, what might he want to think and feel? So maybe he wants to think and feel he's offering the latest, greatest entertainment to his customers, that's really important for his brand. What does he want to see? Maybe he wants to see lines of people around the block or outside the door. What might she want to say and do? Maybe she want to say to you, hey, where else can we put this within our network of casinos? Because if this one's successful, we want to roll it out amongst a bunch of different properties. And what they want to hear, maybe they want to hear cheering like you would hear around a craps table when somebody wins a big jackpot, because that generates excitement, and excitement generates interest and more people wanting to participate. So this is just an example of one thing for each section. But when you do this, I'm expecting you to have, 5, 10, maybe even more things in each section that your team has brought into the conversation. And that's really important. This is a team activity, all right? So the people that have done the interviews, if you read the interview guide and you did it the way we've suggested, you've had 2 people in each interview. And so you'll want to have at least 2 people doing each of these empathy maps, but you'll also want to be doing it as a group. So if you have a group of 6 or 8 on your team that's been going out and interviewing different people in different segments, this is where we pull them all together and everybody shares those insights. And when you're done with all of the empathy maps for all the people that you interviewed representing the different segments, you might have 16 or 20 empathy maps by the time you're done. And then when it's all said and done, we're going to talk about how do we then connect your features and benefits to their needs that are surfaced through the interviews and the expectation maps.